Stop. Take a deep, conscious breath, and as you exhale, let out a long, audible sigh. You have arrived at the fourth gate. The number 4 represents stability, the 4 corners of the earth, the foundation upon which your temple is built. But a foundation cannot be solid if it is built on the shifting sands of old grief. You have felt the fire of the sun yesterday, but even the brightest light cannot penetrate a heart that is closed by pain. Today, the divine physician does not bring fire. He brings the waters, the sacred, cool, emerald waters of restoration. Welcome home to the deepest part of yourself. Welcome to day 4, the emerald waters. Before we dive into the depths, let us settle the outer shell. Feel the weight of your body becoming heavier, more grounded. Imagine that every muscle in your back is a riverbed, and the water is finally starting to flow through it, washing away the tension of the week. Soften your shoulders. Relax the muscles around your heart. Most people carry their heart like a shield, tight and guarded. For these 15 minutes, I invite you to set the shield down. You are in a sanctuary where no one can hurt you, where no judgment exists, and where only love is allowed to speak. Close your eyes and shift your internal gaze to the center of your chest. Do not see a physical organ, see a vast, hidden landscape. Within you, there is a crystalline lake. This is the reservoir of your emotions. For some, this lake has become stagnant. For others, the water is dark, filled with the debris of old arguments, the silt of disappointments, and the heavy stones of loss. Take a moment to look at your lake without fear. It is okay if the water is not clear yet. That is why we are here. Now, visualize Archangel Raphael standing at the edge of this internal lake. He raises his emerald staff, and as the tip touches the water, a massive ripple of glowing green light begins to spread. Inhale slowly, drawing the cool, misty air of this sacred lake into your lungs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold that breath. Feel the emerald mist entering your bloodstream, traveling to the places where you store your sadness. Now exhale, and watch the first layer of darkness leave your body as a gray cloud, dissolving into the light. The water is beginning to change. It is becoming more fluid, more vibrant. The emerald waters are moving into the basement of your soul. They are washing over the memories of your childhood. They are soothing the child within you who was told they weren't enough. They are cleaning the wounds of the teenager who felt alone. They are nourishing the adult who is tired of carrying the world on their shoulders. Let the water do the work. You don't have to try to heal. You only have to allow the water to flow. Raphael is now stepping into the water with you. The light from his presence turns the entire lake into a glowing emerald sea of grace. He reaches into the deep silt of your heart and pulls out a heavy, jagged stone. This stone has a name. It is a resentment you have held, a person you haven't been able to forgive. Perhaps that person is yourself. Raphael holds the stone in his glowing hands and whispers, "This weight was never yours to carry. It was a lesson, but it has become a prison. Are you ready to be free?" In your mind, say the word, "Yes." Watch as the stone in Raphael's hand begins to dissolve. It turns into liquid emerald light and flows back into the lake, no longer a weight, but part of the healing sea. Feel the literal lightness in your chest. Forgiveness is not about the other person. Forgiveness is the act of taking your hand off the hot coal so your own skin can finally heal. The emerald waters are now spiraling through your nervous system. They are cooling the heat of your anger. They are calming the storm of your anxiety. Every tear you have ever held back is now being honored and released. It is safe to cry. It is safe to feel. It is safe to be soft. The divine physician is washing away the calcification around your heart. Your heart is becoming flesh again, tender, open, unstoppable. The lake of your heart has now expanded. It has become an infinite ocean of emerald grace. You are floating on its surface, completely supported. You don't have to swim. You don't have to struggle. The grace of God is buoyant. It holds you. Look at the horizon of your life. The sun of day 3 is reflecting on the waters of day 4. Fire and water have met within you to create a perfect steam of purification. You are walking into the world today with a heart that is clean and not just empty, but clean and filled with light. When people look at you today, they will see a calmness in your eyes that reflects this inner sea. You will not react to the chaos of others. You will respond from the depth of your peace. Raphael places a final drop of golden emerald oil on the center of your chest. It is the seal of the 4th day. The emotional foundation is set. The waters are still. The heart is whole. Stay in this silence for a moment longer. Do not rush back to the noise. Let the new state of your heart become your permanent home. Return tomorrow for day 5, where we will take this emotional clarity and use it to sharpen your physical senses, opening your eyes and ears to the miracles that surround you. Your commitment is the bridge to your miracle. Go in peace.
If this moment of quiet touched your soul, then you have found your sanctuary. Healing is not a single event. It is a journey we walk together, one breath at a time. To stay connected to the emerald light and ensure you never miss a step of your restoration, I invite you to subscribe to Quiet Moments with God. Click the bell icon so our morning prayers can find you, no matter where you are in the world. To anchor today's blessing in your life, leave a comment below with your specific intention, or simply type Amen to seal this prayer in your heart. Remember, your words carry the frequency of your faith. If you know someone who is walking through a valley of shadow, share this light with them. You might be the answer to someone else's prayer today. You are loved. You are whole. You are never alone. I will see you in our next quiet moment. God bless you.